How about now? Working? Nothing? Nothing? Of course, that's one of our problems on our top 5 issues with the second generation Kia Sorento. Let's get into it. Problem number 1 is the sunroof chatter. Some people call it a panoramic roof or a sunroof. Either way, sometimes you ever notice when you apply the button to go back, it goes da-da-da-da-da-da, chatters going back. Simple problem. Add some extra grease up there, and not bearing grease. There's an actual dielectric grease that will go up there, spray the tracks, and it'll all go away. Number 2, if you guessed, that's why I'm standing here, you're correct. Headlights. Kias are kind of known for it, and the seals go on them, let moisture in there, and also the UV breaks down extra fast. We carry it. So check it out at 1A Auto. Repair it yourself. Number 3, AC system. You ever have a problem where you put your AC on, it doesn't work? Well, this generation's known for the AC clutches on that compressor seizing up, which will cause compressor damage in the long run and other issues. So if your AC stops working, go get it checked out right away. Make sure those clutches don't explode on that compressor because maybe you can save it. Number 4. Now, this has to do with the engine, and it's not the typical Kia issues that we have, but it is a Kia issue where the timing chain tensioner makes a chattering noise. So you hear the noise when you first start up. What you need to do is shut the car down, check your oil level. If it's low, well, that's not helping matters, right? But if it's full, then what you need to do is get the updated timing chain tensioner. Number 5, that's what I was talking about earlier when I showed you I stepped on the brake and no light. Well, we do have the issue with this one, so that's why I got to show it to you. It is a safety issue, huge safety issue. This generation Kia, the brake switch goes on them. So what happens is no brake lights at all. And then they might work, and then they don't work. So if you drive a Kia in a generation from 11 to 15, please have someone check your brake lights on a regular basis. And if you feel at all you have a problem, replace that switch. Bonus. We don't always do this, but I think this is worth talking about. Kia generation 11 through 15 Sorento has a problem with a popping, clicking, or like a static sound through the speakers. And they narrowed it down to your phone. And you can't keep it close to the radio. There's no fix other than you just moving your phone. That's as simple as it is. So don't mount it in the vent there or on the glass in the middle. Mount it on the driver's side over here. The furthest you can get from that radio, they say it sounds a lot better.